Owner, operator, or fleet manager? Battling high insurance costs? Or just starting out? Westins Insurance Brokerage can help you save big, even if your driving record isn't perfect. Westins has exclusive agreements with top-rated A and RRG insurance carriers. That means real savings pass directly to you. Whether you run local routes or across 48 states, Westins tailors insurance packages to your cargo, operating area, and driving history. And it's fast. Get quotes and coverage straight from your phone. No hassle, just better rates. Immediately compare numerous quotes. Custom plans for drivers with imperfect records, owner-operators and fleet managers, discount for ELD or dash camera trucks. We negotiate lower premiums and flexible payment plans, backed by 25 years of experience specializing in trucking insurance. Ready to start saving on your insurance? Call Westins Insurance Brokerage. Visit www.westinsinsurances.com or call 714-465-4433. Request your quote today. Fast and easy, right from your phone. Don't wait for your renewal date. Start saving now. Hablamos tu idioma.